In the Hindu planet of Brahmaloka, a sense of peace was shattered by the sudden arrival of an octopus demon robot, sent by the dark forces of the underworld. The robot, named Tikshaka, was programmed to destroy the sacred Vedas, the ancient texts that held the secrets of the universe. With its 8 tentacles, Tikshaka ravaged the planet's libraries and temples, seeking to erase the knowledge of the Hindus. The planet's leader, the wise and powerful Guru Shukracharya, called upon the brave warriors of the planet to defend their homeland and their sacred scriptures against the demon robot's onslaught. The brave warriors of Brahmaloka, armed with technological weapons and the power of Vedic hymns, charged into battle against the octopus demon robot, Tikshaka. The robot's tentacles snatched and crushed everything in its path, but the Hindus stood firm, their chants of Om Shanti and Rudram Chamakam filling the air. Guru Shukracharya led the counterattack, his staff emitting a powerful blast of energy that struck Tikshaka's central core. The robot stumbled, its tentacles flailing wildly as the Hindus launched a barrage of missiles and laser beams. The warriors chanted, Narayana Kavacham, their voices creating a shield of protection around the city. As the battle raged on, the Hindus unleashed their secret weapon, a device that converted the energy of the Vedic hymns into a powerful force field. The field enveloped Tikshaka, immobilizing it and disrupting its programming. The robot's tentacles collapsed, its central core exploding in a shower of sparks. Victory was theirs. The Hindus rejoiced, their city saved from destruction. Guru Shukracharya praised his warriors, saying, Our ancient wisdom and modern technology have combined to protect our sacred heritage. The Vedas are safe, and our city remains unbroken. The people of Brahmaloka celebrated, their Vedic hymns echoing through the galaxy, a testament to the power of faith and unity. Tikshaka's defeat served as a warning to any future threats. The Hindus of Brahmaloka would always defend their sacred knowledge and their way of life. The Hindus rejoiced, their hearts filled with devotion, as they chanted, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, glorifying Lord Vishnu, the savior of the universe, in a celestial celebration that echoed across the galaxies.